Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Paychex to accounting for state withholding reports. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Paychex account. Navigate to the reports section on the dashboard. Select state withholding reports from the available options. Locate the specific report you need for your accounting records. Click on the report to open the details. Review the report for accuracy, ensuring all information is up to date. Export the report in your preferred format, such as CSV or PDF. Open your accounting software. Log into your accounting software using your credentials. Go to the section where you can import reports or data. Choose the option to import the file you exported from Paychex. Select the file from your computer and click Open. Follow the prompts to confirm the import process. Map any necessary fields if prompted by your accounting software. Review the imported data for accuracy once the process is complete. Make any necessary adjustments within your accounting software. Save the changes to ensure all data is updated accurately. Finally, run a test report within your accounting software to verify that everything is correctly connected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.